Hola, me llamo Jenny y estoy aquí para hacer una manualidad con ustedes esta tarde. Hi, my name is Jenny and I am excited to be here to do a craft with you tonight. Tonight you will need a candle holder, something circular, and markers or paint for decorating. For the circle, you can take a plate or a bowl or a jar to trace a circle on the paper. Or you can use a recycled object like a jar lid, a CD that doesn't work anymore, or a round mirror you might not use. Or even a paper or plastic plate that you might even cover in tinfoil. With our circles, we are going to make mandalas to put underneath our candles at our home altars. The reason I like to use metal or a mirror for my circle is that the colors, when the candle's lit, the colors are reflected in the candlelight, reminding us of all of the beauty and all of God's miracles. Mandalas are traditionally found in Hindu and Buddhist worship, and the word mandala comes from the Sanskrit word meaning circle. Mandalas can also be used in Christian worship or for any meditation. Circles have a lot of meaning for Christianity too, like how God's love for us never ends. One very special circle I use for meditation and prayer is called a labyrinth. Sometimes I walk a labyrinth outside, and other times I use this clay labyrinth that I made and trace the path with my finger. You can even follow a design like these and color them in. I also like to put on music, like the songs we listen to on Monday nights, and color while I listen. If you are using paper, any type of marker or crayon will work. If you are using a mirror, metal, or a CD, you will probably want to use Sharpie, paint, or even nail polish works. When your design is finished and dry, put your candle in the candle holder and place it in the very center of your mandala. A poem that I learned in elementary school is, "A circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend." Maybe we can say that poem and think how Jesus says to us, "I am always with you." I can't wait to see your mandalas next week. Thank you.